me fucking trousers up and look. I've had a few days of fixing all my stuff, my hammers. I found that hammer in Jason's scrap bin. It was rusty, it needed fixing. Now I got gas. I don't mean like I usually. I want to make it. Let me show you what happens, because I dare say you've seen it before. This vice here, great, okay? No scrobbles, no thing. If you want to do something that big, you know, with something hanging out the end, great. If I wanted to just cut a little bit off there, you know, say it was this long, and I wanted to cut something off it, see the vice scissors? So all we really need is a nut there and a bolt. So we could just push the bolt through to take up that, keep it parallel. You know what I'm saying, so stop taking the piss. So I wanted to add a table onto this side of it, so I can saw things. If it's bigger than 4 inches, when it comes down it hits the top of here, so it can only do a 4-inch radius because of the gap from the blade to the top of this is 4 inches. So you've got to cut it from this side. This used to have an handle there which just used to clamp, so this thing here I had to make. That's great, I hear you say you've got a nut, but the thing is we haven't got a you know, we haven't got a drill. We haven't got a drill. We have not got a drill. So the only way out really is to take the bandsaw, take it apart, and take this off. Put it under there just to drill a bloody hole. But I don't think we can get it under the middle there. If I lift the head up, then I got a chance to get at it. Fucking stupid underpants with no elastics. You know the type. If you haven't had a pair of these, you're not a man yet. When the elastic goes, you need a long drill. It's going to have to be a pretty long drill. That's what we call a short one. That's what we call a long one. That would do it. I did break that the other day, so if that went in there, which it would, we could put that in there because I broke it. Bing! It takes a bit of breaking them bastards, but I'm so gifted at breaking things. It's my idea. There you go. Thanks to a bit of pipe and a old. I suppose you want to see it because you don't believe me, do you? It drilled perfect. It drilled lovely. The only bugbear I got is the size of it, but that shouldn't matter with a young, gifted and black welder. To be on. So we just want to clean that up a little bit to whatever size you want. This is absolutely brilliant, I gotta be honest, because it's been getting on my titty for frickin' ages. Now I got a chance to cure it. plastic things on the top of the bottle are alright for dimpy wimpy hands, but you know, when you've got half a shovel, it's not very clever. Right, we're just going to weld our nut on securely. I want to leave it that long. I want it 4 inches long, which is the length of this boat, or 100 mil if you're posh, which I'm fucking not. If I wanted to, let me zoom you right in so you can see what my trouble is. Well, I think you already know now. I just love showing you. Well, you look at that. There you are. Well, look at that. If I just wanted to saw this nut in half and I put it in there, right, something that small, which you should be able to saw in half, shouldn't you? Right. See how that shuts to the back? It don't shut at the front, look. Well, it does, obviously, but I wouldn't trust that. And you know how much a bandsaw blade is. Well, you should do, because you've heard me moaning. Put that in there. To the, still a bit tight at the moment, but it'll loosen. Right, then that comes through there, we can then judge the thickness of that nut, which is that thick. Now if you put the nut on this side, because we want to saw it in half, now we got that nice parallel gap. So now you know that's gripped in there like Robert Shaw. So I'm chuffed with that. That is absolutely a godsend. It'll come back out the way like this. It's not interfering with nothing. I can still get at it because I got a habit of sawing big things. I'm happy with that. Take it out then. Take it out, man. Take it out. I've run out of paint, so I can't paint nothing else black. This is my magic wand, man. This is walking treat. You just magic it up like that. Look at that for a Christmas tree. You magic it up like that and then you just pull a lever and it disappears. Fucking brilliant. Absolutely. There you are. Now, I reckon there's a few people out there with this problem, so this is why I've done a video. So, can you see me? So we're happy with that. That's a godsend, believe me not. That is a godsend. Thank you very much. See now, if I wanted to cut that, which you can't, obviously, it clamps in everything. But when you go down, it'll stop there, switches halfway through. So the only way you can cut that into wheels or whatever you want done, it's got to hang out there like that. So that comes through here, this gap they got. So you need you need something here to hold this up and to strap it down. We have got dextrian. Oh, I don't fucking know. We got some of this stuff, so it folds down now like that. Let's put that on there just for a second or two, alright? What my plan was is to just nip in there and then bend it without losing it, you know what I mean? So you mustn't cut all the way through it. That's simple. Should automatically want to bend down there on its own like that. We want to bend that. That, you see? Right, that's on a solid though. We're now going to work out, I want these put together like that, and then they'll lift up to come horizontal. Okay, now that's a big word. Horizontal with that there. We got 7/8. Right, take away the thickness of the steel. We need 3/4. We're going to make an hinge now. Right, let me shut that cam off because we've got to undo all that back off. You don't want to be watching that, no you don't. Right, somebody just shouted across the garden. Perhaps there's somebody out there wants to know how to make an hinge. It's just get yourself a tube and work it out yourself, alright? Don't ask me these silly questions. I was joking, Get a tape measure and measure your tube. Ooh, what a lovely tube you got. Right, this tube is 5 inches. So you want to divide 5 into 3. So if you're not sure, I'm going to make this one 1 inch. And I'm going to make that one 1 inch. And then the one in the middle, we're going to make bigger or smaller, whatever we decide. Now, when you weld this on, you can only weld that where you just measure that inch. That's the bit you weld, that inch there, and that inch there. So you've got inch over end. Don't weld in the middle, otherwise it's not going to work. Let's see if I can get that on, because it's got to be on pretty square. And weld it like there's no tomorrow. I'll show it to you. But you got to remember the sort. So I've only welded that inch there and that inch there. I haven't welded anything in the middle, because the middle you weld to the bit you're playing with, which we'll show you now. And I'm going to cut that bit out in the middle there, nearly. Get the job done, get paid, get the fuck off home, wherever you're going. So we're going to weld that on there, but it's got to be pretty good. I don't mean pretty good welding, I mean pretty good eyeball. I'm hoping that middle now snaps out of there. got your 3 inch on there now and you got your 2 inches on there. Okay, you do that, didn't you? Let's put that back on there quickly. We're going to find a metal bar to fit through the saw, so we're going to have a leg down there, don't we? I wanted that to shut flat. I'm going to finish it to make it work. So we can't cut the grub screw off, obviously, because there's holding it on there. So we're going to have to just nip a little slot out of here to let it swing down. Wasn't me. Supposed to ship 180. That's better. We can make it go more than that. Purely just by bending it. Doesn't want to go anyway. Take that off for 2 seconds. Put that in there. Give it a tweak. 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 There you are. So when I want to saw something big now, I just got to go up there and I put a leg in. We'll make a leg to suit. I'm happy with that. How's that? Done. Thanks for watching again. You know how much I appreciate you. And great, it's great seeing you. That is good, that'll go up. And then if I want that in there, I can put that in there. And saw it with no problem. How's that? You happy? I won't be sawing bottles, of course, because that's against the law. I will be sawing 4x4 tubing. Okay. See you later. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know, I got something else to do.